Hey there, welcome to the channel. Throughout history, humans have created tools to make work easier. From the invention of the wheel to the steam engine and the rise of computers, each innovation sparked a revolution, changing the way we work, altering our societies and creating entirely new industries. Each innovation sparked a revolution, changing the way we work, altering our societies and creating entirely new industries. Today, we stand at the edge of a new transformation that will reshape the way we work. That force is artificial intelligence. For decades, science fiction has explored the rise of the robots. Now, it's time to look at the reality of AI and its growing influence on the future of work. AI is not just a machine that follows orders. It is a system that learns, adapts, and improves. Already, AI is analyzing massive amounts of data, detecting financial fraud, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, and even writing code for programmers. In the future, these capabilities will only grow. By 2030, AI is projected to replace nearly 1/3 of all jobs. Some tasks currently done by humans may become obsolete. For example, routine jobs such as working in a call center, managing inventory, or even truck driving may be replaced by automation. However, this is not a new phenomenon. Throughout history, technological advancements have displaced workers, but simultaneously, they have also created new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution, for instance, led to the creation of new jobs in factories and workshops. Similarly, the rise of computers in the late 20th century created a whole new industry and career paths that did not exist before. Today, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's an active force reshaping our world. So what does this mean for the future of work? Let's delve into the predictions from leading experts. According to a recent report by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, AI could create over 97 million new jobs globally. These new roles will span various sectors and functions. For example, the need for AI developers and specialists is expected to soar. As businesses across industries adopt AI, the demand for professionals who can develop, maintain, and improve these systems will increase significantly. Moreover, as AI takes over routine and repetitive tasks, human workers can focus on more complex, creative, and strategic endeavors. This shift will blur the boundaries between traditional job roles. For instance, in healthcare, AI will assist doctors in diagnosis, allowing them to spend more time interacting with patients and developing treatment plans. Similarly, in manufacturing, AI-powered machines will handle precise and repetitive tasks on assembly lines, enabling human workers to focus on quality control and process improvement. It is important to note that the impact of AI on jobs will not be uniform across industries or even within the same industry. Sectors that deal with large volumes of data and have routine processes are likely to be the most affected. On the other hand, fields that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making skills will be less susceptible to AI-driven displacement. To thrive in this evolving landscape, workers must embrace lifelong learning. Acquiring new skills and adapting to changing demands will be crucial. By staying ahead of the curve, individuals can position themselves to capitalize on the opportunities presented by AI. But some voices of caution are also worth considering. There are concerns that AI might exacerbate existing inequalities. If AI systems are designed and controlled by a few, they could potentially reinforce biases and create further divides. Additionally, there is a risk that AI-driven automation could lead to job polarization, where a small number of high-skilled workers and a large number of low-skilled workers are employed, but middle-skilled jobs disappear. However, many researchers believe that the future of work will not be a battle between humans and AI. It will be a partnership. Humans provide vision, creativity, and values, while AI supplies speed, analysis, and precision that surpasses human capacity. This is the dawn of augmented intelligence, a collaboration where human potential and machine intelligence combine to create something greater than either could achieve alone. What do you think? Will AI enhance your job or make it redundant? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This was a presentation by an educational platform. Their mission is to create a world where anyone can learn anything. We believe that everyone should have access to quality education and the opportunity to learn new skills to advance in their careers.